In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subfolder in Google Drive. If you've ever wanted to organize your files a bit better, grouping documents, images, or project assets under one clear structure, creating a subfolder is a quick and reliable way to do it. First, log into Google Drive. Head to drive.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll land in your Drive, which is the main area where your folders and files live. If you don't see your items right away, give it a moment to load or make sure you're in the My Drive view rather than shared with me or recent. This ensures you're working in your own space where you can create and manage folders. Next, open the main folder where you want your subfolder to live. Think of this main folder as the parent container for the subfolder you're about to create. Double-click the folder to open it so you're viewing its contents. This step matters because the subfolder will be created inside whatever folder you have open, saving you from moving it later. Once you're inside that main folder, right-click on an open, empty area in the file grid. If you're on a trackpad or a device without a dedicated right-click, you can use a two-finger click or hold the Control key while clicking. Be sure you're not right-clicking on an existing file or folder because that would bring up options for that specific item instead of the general menu you need. In the context menu that appears, click New Folder. This command tells Drive you want to create a brand new folder right here inside the main folder, which makes it a subfolder. A small dialog box will appear asking you to name your folder. Type in a clear descriptive name that matches its purpose. For example, you might include a project name, a department, or a date to make it easy to find later. Avoid overly long names or special characters that can make searching harder. You can always rename it later if you change your mind. Finally, click Create. Google Drive will instantly add your new subfolder to the current view inside your main folder. If you have a lot of items and don't see it immediately, sort by name or refresh the page to bring it to the top. From here, you can start adding files or additional subfolders to keep everything neatly organized. And that's it. You've successfully created a subfolder in Google Drive, keeping your workspace cleaner and your files easier to find.